Tight. It's choreographed by Maggie Stevenson. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. Tag 1 will happen on the ends of walls 2 and 6. Tag 2 will happen on the ends of walls 4, 8, and 9. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tags and where they happen, and then we're going to go through and dance 10 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Hang Tight. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a grapevine to the right and left. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you're going to scuff your left heel forward. We're now going to do a left rocking chair. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, rock back with your left foot, recover forward on your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a left K-step. So you're going to step your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Touch your right next to your left and clap your hands. We're now going to step our right foot back into the right back diagonal. Touch your left next to your right and clap your hands. Step your left foot back into the left back diagonal. Touch your right next to your left and clap your hands. And then we're going to step our right foot forward back to where we started. And you're going to step your left next to your right, taking weight onto both feet and clap your hands. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, doing your left K-step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do heels, toes, heels, clap to the right and the left. So we're going to swivel both heels to the right, both toes to the right, both heels to the right. You're going to hold and clap your hands. We're now going to swivel both heels to the left, both toes to the left, both heels to the left, and you're going to hold and clap your hands. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is split between both feet. We're doing our heels, toes, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine. So it's grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, grapevine quarter turn, scuff, left rocking chair, left K-step, left touch and clap, back touch and clap, back touch and clap, forward step together, heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the tags. Tag 1 is going to happen on the ends of walls 2 and 6. Both times you do this tag, it will be facing 6 o'clock. So you'll be finishing your 3 o'clock wall, coming to 6 o'clock, and this is where you're going to add on your tag. I'm going to do it facing 12 o'clock so you can see what the footwork looks like, and then we'll practice it to the back. So we would be finishing our heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. All we're going to do is swivel both heels to the right, hold and clap, swivel both heels to the left, hold and clap. And that is your tag 1 that will happen twice to the back wall. So let's try that to the back wall. Weight will be kind of split between both feet. You're doing your heels to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, tag 2, you are going to do what you do in tag 1 and then add heels, toes, heels, clap to the right and the left. This is going to happen on the ends of walls 4, 8, and 9. So the first time we do it, we'll be facing 12 o'clock, and then you will do it once to the front wall again, and then once to the side wall. So you want to think, this is 4 and 8, So you'll do your 32 counts to 9 o'clock, come to 12 o'clock, add on your long tag. Then on wall 9, you'll be facing 12 o'clock, you'll dance the 32 counts and add on your long tag. So now your long tag is just what we do in tag 1, and you're going to add on heels, toes, heels to the right and the left. So we're going to do both heels to the right, hold and clap, both heels to the left, hold and clap. Now we're going to do our heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. And that is your tag 2. So let's try it with some counts. So it's 1, hold, 2, 3, hold, 4. Now you're doing your heels, toes, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that will happen twice to the front and once to the side. Now there is no ending listed on the step sheet. It does end facing the side wall. You'll do your vine quarter turn. And all I did was make an additional quarter turn so that I ended facing front. So I did my vine quarter turn with a scuff, and then I made an extra quarter turn so that I could end facing 12 o'clock as the music faded out. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the tags into their next walls. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our grapevine. So it's grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, grapevine quarter, turn, scuff, left rocking chair, left K-step, heels, toes, heels to the right, heels, toes, heels to the left, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do tag 1, it's heels, heels. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, grapevine quarter, turn to the scuff, rocking chair, left K-step. Heels, toes, heels to the right, heels, toes, heels to the left, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 2, it's heels, 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 toes, heels, heels, toes, heels. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, grapevine quarter, turn, scuff, left rocking chair, left K-step. Heels, toes, heels to the right, heels, toes, heels to the left, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 1, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, grapevine quarter, turn, scuff, left rocking chair, left K-step. Heels, toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 2, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, grapevine quarter, turn, scuff, left rocking chair, left K-step. Heels, toes, heels to the right, heels, toes, heels to the left. Do your tag 2, it's heels, 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 toes, heels, heels, toes, heels, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. After that, you'll dance through until the music ends, and if you would like to end facing 12 o'clock, you can just do an additional quarter turn to the front after your grapevine quarter turn. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go on dances on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn. Hang tight. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.